How to remove archived chats from the top of WhatsApp. Hi everyone, have you noticed that your archived chats appear at the top of your WhatsApp chat list? And if you want to clean that up in this tutorial, we will show you how we can move those archived chats back to the bottom where they belong. So let's just dive right into the video. First of all, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. And on the chat screen, on the main chat screen, you can find the archive chat section, which is usually located at the top or the bottom depending upon your settings. Right now here on my screen, it is located at the top. So to remove the archive chats from the top, head over and tap on the archive, and we'll need to unarchive them. So for that, you can long press on the chat that you want to archive and tap on the unarchive icon at the top beside the delete option, which is in the middle. Just go ahead and tap on it and you can find the one chat has been archived. So just go ahead and go to your main chat settings, main chat homepage, and there you can find your chat has been archived similarly how it used to be before. So that is how we do it. So now we know how we can remove archive chats from the top of WhatsApp and keep our chat list organized. So if this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks, and see you in the next video.